Fantomex, Risque, Lila Cheney, Bedlam, Pete Wisdom, Dr. Nemesis, Copycat. More 12 of 34 the best comic book characters with white hair, 7 of 18 the best shape-shifting superheroes. Tabitha Smith, More 515 of 546 the best female comic book characters, 211 of 501 the best comic book villains, 4 of 25 the most redundant X-Men characters, ranked. Marrow, Rictor. More Rictor, 15 of 32 the best New Mutants members, ranked 14 of 20 the worst X-Force members ever, 13 of 15 post Black Panther. Here are some other heroes the MCU badly needs to bolster its diversity. Siryn, Danielle Moonstar. Or Danielle Moonstar, 170 of 237 X-Men villains, 81 of 100 top 100 most popular superheroes and villains in comic books. Caliban. More 58 of 137 the best X-Men villains and enemies ever, 7 of 15 all 15 Marvel characters who have been in Apocalypse's Horsemen, 9 of 20 the best comic book characters who have yellow eyes. Sunspot. More Sunspot, 15 of 16 Marvel mutants whose superpowers have changed drastically since you were a kid, 5 of 20 the best Latinx comic book characters, 19 of 20 the best superhero mentors. Cannonball. More Cannonball, 142 of 187 the top Marvel Comics superheroes, 256 of 297 the best comic book superheroes of all time, 45 of 99 the best teenage superheroes. Forge. More Forge, 17 of 29 the best comic characters to have on your Apocalypse team, 10 of 16 the greatest superheroes who are also magicians. Shatterstar. Shatterstar. Hope Summers. Fantomex. More 7 of 13 Mystique's long and shape-shifting list of lovers, 13 of 16 the same Weapon X program that created Wolverine, also made Captain America, Luke Cage, and more. Warpath. Warpath. Colossus. Colossus. Psylocke. Psylocke. Domino. More Domino, 11 of 12 the most useless superpowers in comics, 4 of 33 Wolverines, long list of lovers, 10 of 41 the best comic book characters with black hair. Cable. More Cable. Deadpool 2's Cable has an uncannily convoluted comic book history. 11 of 15 weird things you didn't realize about your favorite superheroes' parents. 8 of 16 Marvel superheroes with the most harrowing origin stories.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.